How to fix Gcash? Our system detected that your device is not secure error. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix this error where it says our system has detected that your device is not secure. So if I try to open up my Gcash, as you can see here, a warning pops up saying that the system has detected that the device is not secure. So in this case, what you need to do first is go ahead and open up your phone settings. Scroll down until you see your app settings. Get over to your apps. And then from here, you are just going to open up your Gcash. So once you get to your Gcash app, all you need to do now is head over to storage and make sure to clear cache. And if there is any data, you are just going to make sure to clear its data as well. And once you have done that, the second step is pretty important, which you cannot miss. So here on the settings, you are just going to go ahead and open up developers mode and make sure to turn this one off. So once you turn off the developers mode, all you need to do now is just go ahead and refresh your phone. Once you do so, all you need to do now is try to open up your Gcash and it should start working. So I'm just going to open up this application right here, wait for it to load. So as you can see, the app has started working. It has for a few permissions, which I'm for now. And once you allow all of these permissions, you should be able to log into your Gcash account. So as you can see here, I can just enter the phone number to get started. That's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.